Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of freelancing and exploring one of the most popular platforms for earning money online, Fiverr. Whether you're a seasoned freelancer or just starting out, this comprehensive guide will help you maximize your success on Fiverr and boost your earnings. So, let's jump right in. 1. Introduction to Fiverr. First things first, let's talk about what Fiverr is all about. Fiverr is an online marketplace where freelancers from around the world offer their services to clients. From graphic design and writing to programming and digital marketing, there's a wide range of services available on Fiverr. And it is a popular platform where freelancers can offer their services to clients worldwide. In this video, we'll provide a comprehensive guide on how to succeed on Fiverr and maximize your earnings. From setting up your profile to delivering high-quality work and providing excellent customer service, we'll cover everything you need to know to thrive on Fiverr. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, programmer, or digital marketer, there's a place for you on Fiverr. Watch now and start your journey to financial freedom. 2. Creating your Fiverr account. Now that you know what Fiverr is, let's get you set up on the platform. Creating a Fiverr account is easy. Simply head to the website and sign up as a seller. Once you've verified your account and linked your payment method, you're ready to go. 3. Identifying your skills. Next up, it's time to identify your skills and determine what services you can offer on Fiverr. Take some time to reflect on your talents and expertise. Whether it's graphic design, writing, programming, or something else entirely, there's a place for you on Fiverr. 4. Setting up your gig. Now let's talk about setting up your gig. This is essentially your service offering on Fiverr. When creating your gig, be sure to craft a compelling title and description that clearly communicate what you offer, set a competitive price, and consider offering extras to upsell your services. 5. Optimizing your profile. Your profile is your storefront on Fiverr, so it's important to make a good impression. Fill out your profile completely, upload a professional photo, and showcase your skills and experience. Don't forget to include samples of your work to give potential clients a taste of what you can do. 6. Promoting your gig. Once your gig is live, it's time to start promoting it to attract clients. Share your gig on social media, forums, and other online communities to get the word out. You can also optimize your gig with relevant keywords to improve its visibility within Fiverr's search results. 7. Delivering quality work. Now, let's talk about delivering quality work. This is key to building a positive reputation on Fiverr. Make sure to meet deadlines, communicate effectively with clients, and go above and beyond to exceed their expectations. Positive reviews and ratings are crucial for attracting more clients. 8. Offering extras. To increase your earnings on Fiverr, consider offering extras or additional services to your clients. Whether it's express delivery, additional revisions, or exclusive packages, extras can add value to your gig and attract clients willing to pay more. 9. Providing excellent customer service. Last but not least, let's talk about providing excellent customer service. Be responsive to messages and inquiries, address client concerns or questions promptly, and strive to provide the best possible experience for your clients. Remember, happy clients are more likely to leave positive reviews and recommend you to others. 10. Staying active. Finally, it's important to stay active on Fiverr to maintain a steady flow of orders. Regularly update your gigs, respond to messages promptly, and stay engaged with the Fiverr community through forums, events, and networking opportunities. By staying active, you'll increase your visibility on the platform and attract more clients. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide to making money on Fiverr. Whether you're a freelancer looking to earn some extra cash or a business owner in need of professional services, Fiverr has something for everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up today and start your journey to financial freedom on Fiverr. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.